Opposition spokesperson on sport and entertainment and Member of Parliament for St. Catherine North Central, Natalie Neita, has been charged with common assault. It's reported that sometime last week, Ms. Neita reportedly slapped a man, Kevin Buchanan, in his face. He then reported the matter to the police. Ms. Neita was subsequently charged. In a release today, Ms. Neita's attorney, Sean Kinghorn, said she was defending herself after being attacked. The release said, quote, Ms. Neita was attacked when Mr. Kevin Buchanan menacingly and threateningly advanced upon her in a violent fit of rage, end quote. The release added that the complainant, Kevin Buchanan, was formerly employed to the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Ms. Neita serves in the capacity of a consultant in human resource management for the company. The release further pointed out that Ms. Neita was attacked at the company by Mr. Buchanan concerning an employment issue. Ms. Neita's legal team is refuting allegations or contentions that Ms. Neita wronged the complainant and intends to vigorously defend the charge of common assault when the matter comes up before the court. Efforts to contact Ms. Neita, her attorney, and officials of the PNP were not successful.